What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to do the coloring with the fill tool in the Krita. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the very first step you can do here, you can open this Krita, and here I will go to this file and click new as the blank page or the new project. And you can also choose the predefine, orientation, and also the measurement here, for example the width, height, and also the pixels. You can modify it into the centimeter, millimeter, which one do you prefer. And after that I will keep it with this measurement and click create. So guys, if you'd like to create the choose or do something with the fill tool, so you can start to create your shape first. For example, I will choose this ellipse, and after that you can also change the color or the outline of the circle. For example, I will choose it to be black, and you can start to drag it here. So this will be the regular circle we have. And if you'd like to fill the color within with the, let's say, the green color, so you can start to choose the fill tool here, and for example I will choose this one and click here. So this will be the simple way of using the fill tool. However, if you find that this color is not fulfilling in every edge or in every pixel of this circle, don't worry, because I will also share you the trick. So guys, I will start to create the another ellipse over here beside like this, and I will also do the setting first with the tool options. So if you don't have or don't see the tools option, so you can go to the settings and go to the dockers and activate this tool option, guys. So you can start to fill the color. For example, here I will choose it to be yellow. And before you put it here or put it here, so make sure you can start to go to this tool option and scroll down. You will find the grow over here, and you can add it to become 1 pixel, and you can start to fill the color 1, 2, 3. And if you zoom in, as you can see that the yellow color or the yellow paint is already fulfilled these circles. No the pixel left into this shape. And you can also play with the fill mode over here or the fill source over here, guys. And for example, I will give you the example 2. I will start to create the circles here. And after that you can go to this tools option, and in this fill section you'll see there will be the not fill or the drop down. You click this, and if you choose the foreground and if you create the another circles, it will resulting like this, which is have the filled color or of the yellow and also have the black outline. And if you would like to create the circle by using the background color like this, and if you create the circles, so it will only show the black background like this, and this outline has already mixed up with the black background color, guys. And the last one gonna be the pattern. And for example, if I create the circles here, it will have the pattern and also the outline or the regular outline like a black like this, but the fill color is not the solid color anymore, but it's gonna be changed into the pattern like this. And how can you find it? So before you create the circles or this ellipse, so you can go to this fill pattern and select the pattern that you would like to put within this circle, guys. For example, I will choose this one, and after that I will start to create the another circles or the ellipse. So this will be the circles that have the different pattern. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this tutorial. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.